Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the exact search result that you want in Google. For example, I am going to search for Stardew Valley best tutorial. Okay, now what you're going to see is a bunch of search results, but they don't exactly have the same words in the pages, websites, or articles. Okay, Stardew Valley best tutorial. You're going to see some things like tutorial in there, some will have best in there, but not exactly. So, this is how you do this, guys. Really, really easy. Just come and add these speech marks to the word that you want to be there, a must, and click enter. And now the search result is just going to show up search results that have the best tutorial in them. Look at this. Best tutorial, Stardew Valley. Best tutorial, best tutorial. Some have best tutorial, Stardew Valley. You see, guys, literally that easy and simple. Whatever you want to be there, just add speech marks to them. Really easy and simple, guys. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.